So in today's lesson, we are learning about ratio. So suppose there are two people. This is A and this is B. Yeah, A and B. And his father has given £100, and they said, okay, you can divide this £100 between A and B, and the ratio is 3:2. Means if you add them, 3 plus 2, it becomes total 5 parts. Okay, so if you do like this and divide it into 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, so you can rub it extra part. So these are 5 part. So I have rubbed it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 part. Now 5 parts is equal to £100. What about one part? One part will be £100 divided by 5. You divide both side by 5. So one part is 20. So it means this part will be 20, 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 and this one is 20. A is keeping 3 parts. So part of A is these 3. Okay. And part of B is these 2, because they are just doing 2 parts. So it means how much money A got. So A got 20, 20 and 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. So it is A got £60. What about B? B got 20 plus 20, that is £40. Okay, this is just one way we can do it. Okay, there's another way also we can do these questions. This way is clear, guys? Guys, this way is clear?
Sir, since I had to log out and log in, that I missed some of the parts. Could you explain it again?
Okay, I can explain it again. So see here, there are two people, one is A and one is B, and £100 has to be divided between A and B, and the given ratio is 3 and 2. So first method is you just add the ratio. So 3 plus 2 becomes 5 parts, and these 5 parts are equal to £100. So I have written here 5 parts equal to £100. So if 5 part is £100, then one part will be 100 divided by 5, that is 20. So I have written here one part will be 20, other part will be 20, third part will be 20, fourth and fifth will be 20. So now A has got 3 parts. So 20, 20, 20. So I have colored it yellow. So A has got £60. Now B has got 2 parts like 20 and 20. So it is 40. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Now I can understand.
Okay. Now, if you don't understand, then again I can explain you another method. This is A and this is B, and this time suppose £500 has to be divided between between A and B, and in the given ratio is 3:2. Okay. So first part is you add the ratio, find the sum. So 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Okay, now divide total amount, that is 500, by 5, this total. So what you need to do, you need to divide total amount, that is 500, by sum of the ratio, that is 5. So 500 divided by 5 is 100. Okay, so it means A will get 3 times 100, that is 300, and B will get times by 100, so B will get 200. Okay, so A will get £300 and B will get £200. And if you need to check your answer, if you add them, 300 plus 200, so if you add £300 plus £200, it will be £500. Okay. So in these questions, share each quantity in the ratio given. So this is quantity A. So A has given 108 pound, and given ratio is 2:3:4. So first of all, you find the sum of the ratio. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Then the second thing is you can divide this 108 by this total, that is sum. So if you divide 108 by 9, so you get, if you divide 108 by 9, so let's divide it. 9 times 1 is 9, 10 take away 9 is 1, and 8, so 9 times 2 is 18. Yeah, so we got 12. Okay, so our required number is 12. So given ratio was 2:3:4. Now every ratio you multiplied by 12. So 12 times 2 is 24. Now here also you times by 12. 12 times 3 is 36. And here also you times by 12. So it will be 12 times 4 is 48. Okay, so this is our answer. If you need to check whether you did it right or wrong, if you add these number like 24 plus 36 plus 48, and it has to be 108. Let's add it. 4 plus 6 10, and 8 18, carry 1, 2 and 1 3, and 3 6, and plus 4 10. So this is our checking part, whether our question is right or wrong. So guys, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm explaining one more part, then you can do rest of the questions. So I'm explaining B part now. So B part is, it is given 486 and the ratio is 1:3:5. You add them. 1 plus 3 plus 5. If you add them, how much it is coming? 9. Yeah. Okay. Now what will be the next step? 486 divide by 9. So if you divide by 9, 486, how much it is coming? Anybody else? 9. Let's divide it. 9 times 5 is 45. 8 take away 5 is 3, and 6 is coming down, and 9 times 4 is 36. So we got 54. Okay. So our required number is 54. So given ratio was 1:3:5. Now in every ratio you times by 54. Here also times by 54, and here also times by 54. So if you multiply, 54 times 1 is 54, and if you multiply 54 times 3, then it will be 162, and if you multiply 54 times next number is 5, 54 times 5, so this answer will be 270. Okay, so let's check whether this answer is right or wrong. So you add 270 plus 162 and plus 54. So just add it. So 4 and 2 is 6, 7 and 6 13, and 18, carry 1, 2 and 3 and 1 4. So 486. So is that okay, guys? Yeah. So our required whatever way we have distributed 486, so first person is getting 54 out of 486, second person is getting 162 out of 486, and third person getting 270 out of 486. Okay, first person got 54 pound here, second person got 162 pound, and third person got 270 pound. And in the previous question, first person got 24 pound, here second person got 36 pound, and third person got 48 pound. Yeah, let's go for another question, C part. So let's write down here C part. C part is 510 pound. You need to divide between 1:2:3. Okay, so first you find sum of ratio like 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it will be 2 plus 1 3, and 3 6. Now divide 510 by 6. 510 divide by 6. So can you divide it for me? How much it is getting if you divide 510 by 6?
85.
Okay, that's right. So it will be 85. Now next, you write down the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 and times by 85 here, times by 85 here and times by 85 here. Now 85 times 1 is 85. Now what is 85 times 2?
170.
And 85 times 3?
225.
255 of what did you say, sorry?
255.
Yeah, 255. Yeah, that's right. So first person will get 85 pound, second person will get 170 and third one will get 255 pound. Is that okay? And if you want to do checking part whether your answer is right or wrong, so if you add it, 255 plus 170 and plus 85, let's see how much it is coming. So 5 and 5 10, carry 1, 7 and 5 12 and 1 13, 13 and 8 it will be 21 and 2 carry, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5, so 510 pound. Is that okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's do one more question, then rest you will do it yourself. Yeah. Now everybody got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question is D part. Here it is given 242 and the ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. So method remains the same. First you find the sum. Can you add it for me? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. How much it is coming? How much it
11.
is? 11. Now what will be the next step, guys?
Sir,
Yes.
the next step will be is that the ratio 1, 2, 3, 5. Then you have to times 11 with each of them.
Now that is not the first step. Second step. Anybody else? What will be the second step? Divyansh? No? Casey? What will
Sir,
be? Yeah.
can I have a second try?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's not first step. I said the first step will be is that you do 11 divided by 242.
It should be 242 divided by 11, not 11 divided by 242. Anyway, that's you got it right. So if you divide 242 by 11, let's divide it 242 by 11. So 11 times 2 is 22. And here is 2 and this 2 is coming down and 11 times 2 is 22. So you got 22 here. Okay. 22. Now what will be the third step? What will be the third step? Anybody else? And yes, you got 22. What will be the next step? Yes. Yes. No idea?
Sir,
Yeah.
should I say the answer?
Yeah, yeah.
So what you do is that with 22 you times it with each of these numbers. You do 22 times 1, then 22 times 2, then 22 times 3, then 22 times 5.
Yes. So you multiply each number by 22. Okay. So I am multiplying here. So 22 times 2 is 44. 22 times 3 is 66. And 22 times 10 is 110. Okay. So first person will get 22 pound. Second person 44. Third person 66. And fourth person is 110. So checking part now. You add 110 plus 66 plus 44 and plus 22. And let's see what is your answer. 6 plus 4 10, 11 12. Okay, carry 1. 1 plus 1 2 and 6 8 and 4 12, 13 14, carry 1 and it is 242. Okay, so this is the way you solve ratio problem. Now You are going, those who are watching this video, they can pause it. Otherwise, you can try EFGH and then you can check your answer with my answer. Okay, guys, welcome back. If you have finished, now I'm pasting answers here. You can check your answer with my answers. So just I'm going to put it here. So can you see answers here on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can mark the answers now. Okay, and so today we have finished ratio now, and in next lesson we are going to do a ratio word problem. Okay. Okay.